Good morning, dear student. Today I will give you question number 6, C and D. This is the second video of this exercise, and exercise is 6.4 of class 3rd maths. And the question number C is divide each of the following by repeated subtraction and color the answer in the grid. If you are able to color a whole row or column, give yourself a star. And the last question is how many stars did you get here? So dear children, here first we here question number 64 divided by 8. So 64 divided by 8 means we divide here by the repeated subtraction method. Okay, because in the question we divide each of the following by repeated subtraction. So 56 minus 8, 48 minus 8, 40 minus 8, 32 minus 8, 24 minus 8, 16 minus 8, 8 and minus 8 equal 0. So dear children, how many we subtracted here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 times, where is your answer? This first 8, this one is answer. Okay. Now second 45, second question 45 divided by 9. So 45 divided by 9 means 45 minus 9. This is repeated subtraction method. So 45 minus 9 equal 36 minus 9, 27 minus 9, 18 minus 9, 9, 0. How many times we separated here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So where is your answer? 5. This is your answer. Okay. Same 12. 12 minus 3, 9 minus 3, 6 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 0. Okay, how many times is separated here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So this is your answer. 4 times. This is the question number 3rd answer. This is the question number 2nd answer. Okay. So dear children, all these questions are same. So suppose question number 4, 18 minus 9 equal 9. Then 9 minus 9 equals 0. How many times we subtracted here? 2 times. So we write here is 2. This is your 2. So 12 divided by 12. Now the question number 5th. Question number 5th is 12 divided by 12 equal 0. So how many times we subtracted here? 1 time. So where is your answer? 1. This is your 1. Okay. Now the last question number 6. 36 minus 36 divided by 12. So minus 12. This is repeated subtraction method. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Here 2 minus 12. 12. Here 12, 0, 0. How many times we subtracted here? 1, 2 and 3 times. So this is your answer 3. Okay. Now same question, question number 40 divided by 2. So how many times we subtracted here? 7 times. So where is your answer? This is your 7. 11, 6 are 66 means 6 times we subtracted. So 6, where is 6? Yes, this is 6 and 9 and 81. So this is your 9. Okay. Now make the how, and the last question is how many star did you get? Means यहाँ पे जो देखिए ये भी आंसर है, ये भी आंसर है, ये भी आंसर है, ये भी आंसर है। मीन्स ये पूरा एक कॉलम में हो गया है। तो हाउ मेनी स्टार? दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टार एंड दिस इज द सेकंड स्टार। ये भी आंसर जो है पूरा एक कॉलम में हो गया। बाकी जो आंसर यहाँ है, आंसर यहाँ है, ये नहीं है, ये नहीं। मीन्स पूरा एक कॉलम में हो गया। ये दिस इज द सेकंड स्टार। सो हाउ मेनी स्टार did you get? We get 2 stars. We get two stars. Okay, this is your answer. Now the question number D. How we answer the following question is how many times 3 are there in 18? So this is your question. So dear children, question number D is answer the following. So dear children, how many times 3 are there in 18? So dear children, 3 are there in 18. So we subtract how many times. In the question is asking how many times we subtracted here. So 8 minus 3 equal 5, 1. 3 minus 5 minus 3 equal to 1. 9, 3, 6, 3 and 3. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times. Here we subtract here how many times? 6 times. So there are 6 times 3 in 18. We subtracted here 6 times 3 in 18. Okay, this is your answer. Now the second question number second is how many times are there? How many times 8 are there in 72? So same method. We subtract here 72 minus 8. 12 minus 8 equal 4. Here 6 minus 8 56 minus 8 48 minus 8 40 minus 8 32. Then 32 minus 8 24 minus 8 16 minus 8 8 minus 8 0. This is your reminder. Now how many times we subtracted here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 times. Okay, so answer is there are 9 times 8 in 72. If we subtracted here 8 by 72, so how many times we subtracted here? Here 9 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So this is your answer, and this is also repeated division method. Repeated subtraction method. This is your remainder, this is your quotient, and this is your divisor, and this is your division. Okay, now the next question number 3. How many times 7 are there in 42? So dear children, there are 6 times 7 in 42. Same method, you can do yourself this question. So now the question number 4, how many times can 6 be subtracted from 30? So there are 5 times 6 in 30. How many times we subtracted here? 6 times, 5 times. How? Now 30 minus 6, 24 minus 6, 18 minus 6, 12 minus 6, 6 minus 6, 0. Okay? Now, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, now, 5 times. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this is your answer. There are 5 times 6 in 30. We subtracted how many times? 5 times. Okay? Now, the last question is in this exercise. How many times can 9 be subtracted from 36? So the answer is there are 4 times 9 in 36. How many times we subtracted here? 4 times. Now your answer is 36 minus 9. 27 minus 9, 18. Now 18 minus 9, 9, and 9 minus 9 equals 0. Okay, how many times? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 times 9 in 36. So dear children, this exercise is also completed. This is the last question. So dear children, और आपको सिर्फ ये आंसर बस नहीं लिख देना है कि आपने लिख दिया there are 6 times in 18. 6 टाइम कैसे आया? यहाँ पे हमने सॉल्व करके सारे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करके हमने दिखाया है. आपने जैसे ये लिखा there are 4 times 9 in 36. तो सिर्फ आपको ये नहीं लिखना है, आपको ये सॉल्व करना है, फिर आपको ये आंसर लिखना है there are 4 times 9 in 36. क्यों? क्योंकि आप यदि आप ये सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे, बाद में कभी आपने कॉपी खोला ओपन किया, आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि कैसे भी ये 4 टाइम्स कैसे आया? तो जब आप ये सब्ट्रैक्ट करके आप दिखाएंगे, शो करेंगे, तब आपको पता चलेगा कि आपने ये 4 टाइम्स ये ऐसे आया. जब आप कहीं टेस्ट में या कहीं एग्जाम में या कहीं भी आपने सॉल्व किया, तो आपको ये सॉल्व करके शो करना ही पड़ेगा. डायरेक्ट आंसर लिख दोगे, इससे काम नहीं चलेगा, आपका 0 नंबर होगा. इसलिए आपको ये पूरा सॉल्व भी करना है कॉपी में. ओके? नाउ डियर चिल्ड्रन, दिस एक्सरसाइज इज कंप्लीटेड. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट देन आस्क मी, कॉल मी. आप यदि आपके पास कोई भी डाउट है, आप मेरे से पूछ सकते हैं, कॉल कर सकते हैं. ओके? थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.